WECA envisions a Wisconsin where early care and education is viewed as a public good worthy of long-term, sustained public funding. It is a vision where our childcare infrastructure is built to support children and families, childcare professionals, our communities, businesses, and the economy. In this vision, early childhood professionals are compensated at a level that matches their education, professional experience, and dedication. In this vision, the cost of childcare is affordable for all families of young children. In this vision, childcare deserts are rare, or better yet, do not exist at all. In this vision, businesses have employees who do not struggle with childcare challenges. In this vision, communities and the economy flourish. This vision guides the Wisconsin Early Childhood Association's continued advocacy efforts and our steadfast support of early childhood professionals who are the backbone of high-quality childcare for our children. WECA knows the early care and education sector has long contributed to the economic and social health of our communities. But especially important is the sector's perseverance through the pandemic's continued effects over the past year. Programs have worked to remain open throughout fluctuations in public health guidance on vaccinations and masks. They have continued to care for our youngest children when most of them could not yet be vaccinated. By extension, childcare has continued to serve as a vital lifeline for working families. WECA has long been proud to stand alongside these dedicated professionals as an advocate and supporter for more than 50 years, and especially over the past year. WECA was at the ready when it was time to distribute more than $8 million in federal Coronavirus Response and Relief Supplemental Appropriations Act funding as stipends to more than 15,000 early childhood educators through the Workforce Retention and Recognition Program. The Wisconsin Early Education Shared Services Network continued to expand across the state while providing critical back office and administrative services to programs. This was critical in keeping programs open and staff supported through constantly evolving and changing circumstances. In total, Wisconsin invested $800 million in federal relief funding for childcare initiatives. WECA applauds these swift, critical efforts. As critical relief funding made its way throughout the state, WECA continued to bring the voices of business and economic leaders, ECE professionals, and parents to the forefront with policymakers and legislative leaders. The message about the importance of childcare is continually being recognized throughout the state, and we are optimistic about what that means for the future and the prospect of early care and education being viewed and invested in as a public good. WECA has long been a tireless advocate for ECE professionals and the ECE infrastructure in Wisconsin. Help us continue our work and push for the long-term vision we seek. Consider a donation to WECA during the 2022 Big Share campaign. Your generous contribution helps accelerate our work to promote a sustainable early care and education system in Wisconsin.